Well, the U.S. Supreme Court just released its decision in a huge election case out of Colorado. It is a big win for former President Donald Trump.
Donald Trump has been restored to all presidential primary ballots. The U.S. Supreme Court rejecting state attempts to hold Trump accountable for the Capitol riot. The justices issuing a unanimous ruling this morning that states, without action from Congress, states cannot invoke a post-Civil War constitutional provision to keep presidential candidates from appearing on ballots. The court's move ends efforts in Colorado, Maine, Illinois, and elsewhere to kick Trump off the ballot.
All 9 justices of the Supreme Court agree that states cannot kick candidates off the ballot under the 14th Amendment. That clause which you mentioned, which passed after the Civil War, held that people who had sworn an oath to uphold the Constitution and then engaged in insurrection are banned from holding federal office further. And what the Supreme Court said is that states can't enforce that it requires Congress to pass a law to outline how that clause should be enforced, concluding very simply that responsibility for enforcing that part of the Constitution rests with Congress and not with the states. Nothing will happen. Trump will stay on the ballot in all 50 states.
And we should point out, Terry, that he is on the ballot. His name is printed for Super Tuesday tomorrow in Colorado, so voting will continue as planned.
That's right, because the Colorado Supreme Court, which originally held the opposite, that under the Constitution, Donald Trump would be banned from running for office, from appearing on the Colorado ballot. They said the Secretary of State should go ahead and prepare for both possibilities pending Supreme Court opinion. And here we are the day before the Colorado primary. Supreme Court once again speaking with a unanimous voice here. Can't express how rare that is in a contested case. All the liberals joining with the conservatives in holding that Congress has the authority to keep people off the ballot under the 14th Amendment, not the states.